Hello and welcome back one more time to Lion Bull Academy. Just now I finished the video in Italian. I will do the same in English. I was making Spanish, now Italian, and then English. This video is about my goal and how I will achieve that goal of make 1 million in 1 year. Can happen will be need more time, but I have a goal to do it in 1 year. And what I'm doing for this can happen. First of all, have many strategies in one, but the main strategy is to make the money faster. So my first idea is to make books. If I sell in books and I make 10 euro from each book, with just 100,000 books, I already can make 1 million. But I need to make books that is interesting and can help people, and that is not expensive. I mean, the exact amount that people can spend, like thinking it's not too much, I can spend that money for my knowledge. Not I make one course for 1,000 euro that after maybe it's just a recording video that have more than 10 years and they still sell it for you for the same price. No, I think if you want to help me, like support, if you want to support me, that's the right word to say. If you want to support me, I think you will buy that book. Example, I buy each week a lot of books about investing, and much more expensive than what I'm gonna make mine. And I am happy to spend that money because that person deserves it. He make all that information for us, and it's not so expensive. I think it's great. The books is the best way to learn, by my point of view. So if I am able to sell in 100,000 euro, I will make 1 million in a year, even in a month can be possible like that. What is about the book really? I have one book, I write many, but one that I have special interest that will become the great book I ever done. It's about how to invest in Etoro. So it's a guide how to use Etoro and how to invest there, how to use commodities, stocks. It's all together. It's a small guide how. Okay, small. It's not so small, the book. It's a guide how to use that broker, how to use that platform, and become rich by that. Can be 1 year, can be 60 years, can be 20 years, all depending how much money you have it really, and how much you willing to risk also. So it's risk money, it's balance there. That's one of the strategies I am using. The second one is this channel, the YouTube channel. I hope you can see me good. I have the sun in the back and I don't know you can see me good. And I still don't buy the light for the front. I just buy later in Amazon. Okay, continue. The second strategy is to make the YouTube channel. I think that is better that I upload here all the information for free, that I grow in this account of YouTube, that I have more subscribers. Why? Because if you have 1,000 euro, instead of spending one course, that is many courses outside there that you can spend it 1,000 euro really too expensive. I think that you can take that money yourself, put in your broker, and already start trading with them, already start investing the stocks, and make money for yourself, not give money to somebody else. So I think that is better. I open a channel, I make these videos for free, I get a lot of subscribers, then YouTube will start paying me. I don't need that you pay me for that. This YouTube make this amazing way of make money online. I think it's great. I calculate maybe I can make for now 1,000 euro a month in YouTube in the moment I will have 10,000 subscribers. I think that will be at least what I can get. So this 1,000 euro a month, 12,000 a year, I will put in the investing also. Everything, I will not touch nothing. I will put everything in the investing account for growing faster to 1 million. That is my goal, my first goal, by the way. I see people who have 300,000 subscribers, they are able to make even 100,000 a year. So that will be great if I arrive to that point. It means just by that in 5 years I already have 500,000. It means if I reinvest also with dividends, I will arrive in 1 million in less than 5 years even. So it's great. But that's still, I don't know. I don't have a big channel. I don't know how much time I will need with that strategy alone. The number 3 strategy The third strategy that I will use is the affiliate program, the Etoro partner. What does mean that? If you already have enough knowledge by looking my videos, by reading my books, or by looking other videos and reading other books, that after up to you, but you have enough knowledge and you want to start investing, just by go in my link of subscribe of in Etoro, like to register inside of Etoro by my link, Etoro automatically will pay to me also a commission for invite you going in. It's $250 if you invest $250 at least in your account. It will be $250 for me too, and it will be not from your money. Don't worry, Etoro make money by commissions. It means every time you open an operation, the spread, the difference between sell and buy, is the spread. The spread is the money they are made. So don't worry, they don't touch your money. They make money by give you the access to the market. That's different in spread. In spread, it was give them the money, and from that money they give a percent to me for invite you go in. That's it. That's the number 3. The number 4, my strategy number 4 for increase my amount of money faster in my account for become a millionaire in 1 year, it's to be a popular investor. How I told you, when you arrive to the last level of popular investor, you get 1,000 euro a month plus 2% of the total money have the copy and invest on me. So it's great if you put all this stuff together and in stock inside of your account, start trading with them, start investing the right stocks and get dividend, you can achieve the goal of 1 million really faster. Then the strategy number 5 is from your salary also take some money and put it inside of the account. That's all what I use it for, make this account growing and arrive to the 1 million faster. So I hope this information was good. I hope you like it. If you like, click the like button, subscribe. I hope so. Like this I growing faster and I can get more faster. I always gonna try in this channel to give all the information through and don't hide in nothing. So I will say everything, what I want to do it, why. Yes, I am a person who like to share stuff already, even without getting nothing back. But I also not stupid, and I want to be faster, arrive to 1 million. And I am very happy that you will be here with me and join this travel with me, and together we can achieve this million. So I encourage you to make your own channel, to make videos about anything you are able to do it, that you like it, that you think it can give you money and can help people, not only give you money, because when you are helping somebody, automatically the world, the karma will give you back something. So that's my main reason I make a YouTube channel, because I want to help somebody, and by helping somebody I'm also helping myself. That's one of the stuff I want to do it. If you think this help you, so please like, subscribe, and really I encourage you, try to do all what you can for get money, writing, make YouTube channels, selling stuff through Amazon, wherever you think it can give you money extra that you can invest. More you invest, more faster you arrive to your goal. Okay, that's it. Thank you for looking my video. Ciao. So I was longer holding.